first phase of the process we really define as a discovery phase, or some call it empathize and define phase. And during that phase, you really put aside your hypotheses and your internal perspectives and really try to immerse yourselves in the minds of the end user.
We begin by doing user research and strategy to really set up and understand what's competitive in the market, what does the user want, and also understanding from the business's perspective what you're prepared to support.
We really think that that's the most important part of the process, is making sure that you're building the right thing and not just something because you have a budget that you need to leverage this year.
And the key element of the product methodology is getting something out there.
Getting releases in the market as quickly as we can allows us the opportunity to get feedback and then potentially pivot so that we're consistently solving that user's needs.
From then, we can always adapt our strategy. We can evolve how we want to go, and it's much more of a point in time and in multiple paths we can take based on the outcomes we're trying to achieve and the data that we're gathering to measure against those success metrics.